Media platform you have demanded for a Sanatan board in Tripura. So, sir, what prompted you to raise such a demand in Tripura?
I think Sanatana Dharma people is the largest population of our country, and this is our legitimate right. And we want, if there is a Waqf board and other religious board, why not Sanatana board will be established in our country? Though the main religion of our country is Sanatana, and though already, as you all know, our country has been divided two part in the basis of religion. Already Muslim people got one part of our country in the name of Pakistan. They have all the facilities, they got all the benefit from our country. But what the government of India and led by the Congress rules specially, what they allotted for Sanatana Dharma. So that is why I am demanding that our Dharma should be preserved, our religion and our sentiments should be honored by the government of India, and that is we are demanding Sanatan board in our country to save our Sanatani people.
So you have also spoken against, very vocally against Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition. So what is your view on his new type of politics which is being taking place?
He's a devious man mainly, if I say, and his intention is always bad. All the anti-national groups or anti-national element are found to connect with Rahul Gandhi. Okay, he is telling about संविधान बचाओ, और संविधान बचाओ इस तरीके की हो रहा है कि ये लोग जो बुक लेके घूम रहे हैं, कल ही इसको एक्सपोज हुआ है महाराष्ट्र में, जो चुनाव के प्रचार के खातिर ये जो घूम रहे और जो इसको कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बांट रहे हैं, लोग खुल के देख रहे हैं कि ये ब्लैंक पेज है, ठीक है ना, कवर ऊपर में कवर है सिर्फ, लेकिन अंदर कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ ब्लैंक पेज है. और भी सबसे जो शेमफुल थिंग्स हैज हैपेंड इन आवर कंट्री, yesterday we have you must have seen that in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, Congress Party and NC, the National Conference, they brought one resolution for restore the Article 370 in J&K again. So my question, if Rahul Gandhi honored the constitution, if Rahul Gandhi respect our constitution, then according to our constitution, Supreme Court is the highest authority of our country, and Supreme Court already delivered his valuable order in the case of abrogation Article 370, and Honorable Supreme Court uphold the decision taken by the government of India. So my legitimate question to Rahul Gandhi as well as Congress Party, if Supreme Court given the verdict on Article 370 and they uphold, why Congress and their alliance party brought this proposal for restoration this Article 370 in Assembly? So their intention is very clear. They do not want to save our integrity, they do not want to save our sovereignty, and that is why they always try to banish and destroy our country's integrity. And history also improved, and people of India also know what Congress or Rahul Gandhi contributed for our country.
Thank you.
Thank you.